So it's the very next day. What you guys didn't see is I drove home from the boat ramp, which was only about a mile, 2 miles, and my seat was gone. That's right, my seat was gone. So what you're looking at now is a Vibe kayak with a lifetime seat. Right now it's currently Kayak Seat until my new Vibe seat comes in. Lifetime actually straps their seats down with a locking style cable, and so did my Von Hunks. Whereas Vibe just uses these little rubber bands that kind of snap in here. And apparently the wind shook so much that it knocked my seat off. Now I know what you're thinking, Don, you should know better than that. And you're right, I did. But I became complacent because for the last 3 years, every kayak I had actually has a seat that actually secures itself securely. And so in all my years and all my travels, between both my lifetime kayaks and my Von Hunks tandem kayak, never lost a seat, never came off. And so when you do something 3, 4, 5, 6 times a week, most of the time, obviously summer it gets a little hot sometimes, but most times you do that all that time, and now all of a sudden you get a new boat, you just continue doing what you're doing. And so I kind of came up with consistency breeds complacency, which leads to loss, damage, or injury. So I'll talk more about it later, but right now we're rocking the Vibe Yellowfin 120 with a lifetime seat. So if you don't mind, we can have a moment of silence for my Vibe Hero seat. Thank you. Not wanting to commit. Need to find the mama. Don't care about all these juveniles. May move here in a second. We are going to relocate. That looks like a little baby peacock. I don't think it is though. I would like to say it is, but probably ain't. Might move spots again here momentarily. Might go over that bigger lily pad patch. We'll take it. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a good one. We got us a decent one. Oh, wait a minute. We got us a real nice fish. Come here, dude. Come here. No, 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 no. Oh. Get in my boat. Get in my boat. Of course, now it's stuck on my paddle. Come here. Come here. He's running away. No, 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 no. I think I got me a 3-pound fish right here. Get in my boat. Look at that, you guys. That's a hog right there. Let's see how much you weigh, dude. I'm happy about this. Oh, yeah. Nice fish. Let's see how much this guy weighs. Hold on. Look at him. I'm gonna say 2.5 pounds. What say you? $2.57, 2.5 pounds. Thank you, dude. We were rocking the new KastKing Cliff Crochet Spiral Rod. And the reason I call it the spiral rod is the eyes are actually spiraled around the pole to almost give your line a spiral motion when you cast, kind of like a football. I don't know if you guys can see, but the eyes actually wrap around the pole. They're not straight down the top. So this is their new spiral rod. It's medium heavy. My medium heavy used to be a 13 brand fishing pole, but I replaced it with this guy. Got it yesterday. The very first bass I caught on it was 3.78 pounds, so he was almost 4. So I'm hoping I can catch another hog on here. Yeah, the eyes on this thing are crazy. I don't know if you guys see all that. See how they spiral around? Got the KastKing Valiant Eagle on it. 7'3", medium heavy power. I think, yeah, medium power heavy. I think. I don't remember. Got too many poles. So this one is the Action Moderate Fast Power Medium Heavy Lightweight. And I hope something don't hit on that, because for some reason my line got. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, thank God he spit it out. My line broke, my bait flew, a fish grabbed it, jumped in the air and spit it out, and it's floating. Thank God for that, or I just lost my damn bait. On that last cast, I loosened up my back brake. Apparently it was tight enough. When I loosened it up, it caused a backlash. My line snapped. I can't believe that fish jumped and spit that out. Got lucky on that one. Yeah, you caught that nice 3-pounder out by our house the other night on a worm. But that, I think it was over by that seawall where the people feed the turtles. It's kind of cheating a little bit, I guess. But I'm heading that way. Oh, got a fish. Oh, got a nice fish. I hope it's a fish. Oh, what the hell I got on here? I'm afraid to look. Jesus, he's fighting. Ah, nice fish. Oh, real nice fish. Hold on, you guys. Oh, damn. Holy hell. Really? Hold on. Hold on, you guys. I can't believe I just caught this fish on top water after all that complaining about not being able to get one on the lake. Look at this hoss. What do you guys think? I'm thinking 4 pounds. Uh, 3.79, just a little under 3. Hold on, I gotta get some photos. Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. Bye. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I want to apologize for filming this video in this format, but I'm paddling along, my camera's mounted, my front GoPro just died because I didn't charge the battery last night. But I've got to tell you, ooh, I'm half tempted. If this seat was taller, I'd be so tempted to cancel my Vibe seat. So, for those of you who are new to the channel, I had a Lifetime Teton 100, still do, my daughter uses it. Then Carrie and I bought a Von Hunks Tandem, which had nice seats on it. And Carrie got a Lifetime, and then I got my Vibe, and as you just learned, my seat got lost due to complacency on my part. And so I have caught the seat off my Lifetime, and I had forgotten that I had made this proclamation after I got my Von Hunks, which is Lifetime Teton kayak that retails for about $400 at Dick's Sporting Goods. Has the most comfortable seat that my ass has experienced in what little kayaking time I've had. Oh, he's on there. He's on there. Oh, he's fighting. Oh, damn it. He did what you don't want him to do, and that's jump. You don't want that. I think I said that yesterday. It makes cool video footage, but as an angler, you don't want them jumping because you're going to lose them. If I can just stay stationary. I would love to have a power pole on this thing. I just hate dropping. I hate dropping anchors so much that I didn't even put one on this boat. Finally got a fish. He's a fighter too. Oh, another nice fish out here. Another nice fish. Look at that, you guys. Nice fish started off the day. I'd say probably about a pound. He's definitely no super dink. He's by no means a hog, but that'll get the job done. I told you, stick around long enough and get your fish. Yeah. Already got bass done from yesterday really bad. Damn, dude, this one looks really cheap good. There you go. You done? Chill out, dude. Thank you. Get him back in the water. They're right out here in front of us. There you go. He hit it. Got one. Told you I'd get one. He's angry. He's a little guy, but he's full of fight. He's probably about a pound. Nice fish. Huge. I love topwater fishing. You see action like that, you see him having a feeding frenzy, you just throw that bait in there and I'm hungry, I want to eat that. Let's go catch us another one, shall we? Oh, son of a bitch. That happened to me yesterday. I got some weak ass braid on here because I'm all out of good braid. Yesterday that happened and a fish actually hit the bait. I thought I was going to lose it and he spit it out. My line just snapped, so I got to paddle over here and grab my bait before somebody comes and eats it. Just put this KastKing, what is this? The KastKing Royal Select? Yes, we took the KastKing Royal Legend 2 off of my other pole. We're going to put it on the Cliff Crochet spiral pole so that we get back to doing some topwater action. Because that's what we are here to do. Yeah, nice cast. Not capable of doing any worm with it now. Something was swimming right in front of me. Ooh. I found them. They're feeding right over here. Feeding right over here. Come on. There you go. There you go. Did you guys see that? Yeah. He nailed it. He nailed it. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. He nailed that damn thing. Another nice fish. Yeah. This one maybe 2 pounds? I don't know. It's awfully. He's a nice fish. Oh, he's probably, yeah, he's 2 pounds all day long. Another nice fish. Oh yeah. I'm so glad I decided to keep with the topwater fishing. You guys might see videos where people will have treble hooks in their hands because they've got their hand in the mouth of the bass. Look at that guy. We're gonna weigh him. Let me find my scales. Two pounds even. Another nice fish. Hold on guys, I gotta take a picture. We're back around 2. I had to restart the video feed here. Make sure I had a copy of that fish I just caught. Oop, there you go. Got one. Oh, he's a nice fish. He's a nice one. We don't want him jumping though. He's too big. If he jumps again, I'll probably lose him. Don't know. Oh, there he goes again. He's jumping again. No, stop jumping. Makes great footage, but I don't want to lose you. Don't jump. No, he's come back up. He's going to jump again. He's going to jump again. Don't jump. Don't jump. He's building up some steam. I can feel him. Don't jump, Ash. I said don't jump. I said please don't jump. I said don't jump. I'm going to get you on the boat before I lose you. Oh yeah, I'm going to lose you. Another nice fish. Now last night I had a hard time getting a good photo of the big fish because of how close he is to me. So earlier today I told myself if I got another nice one I'm going to take my phone, stand up, and get a picture of him. So as soon as I get this hook out, let's put you guys on pause. Get him back in the water real quick. Hold on, then I'm going to weigh him. See how much this guy weighs. So we had a 2-pounder earlier. 2.5. Thank you, chick. Have a good day. Whole school in here. Probably about 20 of them. There we go. Got another one. As soon as I throw it in there. Number 2. Told you. These are all big. This is a big school. These guys are all 2 pounds or bigger. Look at this, boom. Another nice fish. Stop flipping. Okay, stop jumping, dude. Keep throwing, you'll get one. Most topwater action I've seen here in a long time. Caught 2 of them out here last night, same area. Another nice fish. Look at that. Another nice fish. Thank you, dude. Let's get back in the water, see if we can get number 3. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got a nice one. About time. Hopefully you guys saw that. Don't jump. Don't jump. He's going to jump again. Don't jump. Another nice fish. Another nice fish on top water. And now he's stuck on a lily pad. There we go, got him off. Another nice fish. Look at this guy. Don't double, don't get up. Get down here. Get down here. Another nice fish. Woo! Down here all night. Another nice fish. This one's a fat boy. You did a number on yourself, did you? I'm gonna have to weigh her. I'm gonna weigh her. She's a nice fish. Look at that. Hold tight, you guys. Fell off. Like 2 point something. Hold on, I'll get you back more. I think that was 3 pounds. Yep, 2.6. Another nice fish. Thank you, girl. Good night. Thank you. Cleaning up out here on top water.
This has been a Digital 410 production.